Yes, hello, I'm Edward Russell. I'm an attorney. I do bankruptcies exclusively and have done that for about 10 years. My office is in St. Paul. It's at 970 Raymond Avenue, near the corner of University, near 94 and 280. I would be happy to talk with Hmong people. I've had a lot of Vietnamese people throughout the years, and I've had Hmong clients also. Bankruptcy can provide a new life for you. If you're being overwhelmed by debt, it is definitely something you should look into. And I would be happy to provide any answers to any questions you might ask. And I do not charge for the first meeting. So I would be happy to see you if you would call. Thank you.